Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of lag on the application of Duolingo. We go to settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Duolingo and you will click. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode. And you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to press that bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.